So hi friends, I am going to make this really healthy breakfast today, and so let's begin with it. So I have this dosa batter which I made earlier, and we really love having this breakfast, so I'm just sharing it with it's really high in fiber. So this is the amount of dosa batter I'm using. Then I have grated some veggies over here, if you see. So this one is shredded cabbage. Either you can shred it or grind it in a grinder. So I am just going to use this cabbage in this. Then I have some carrots. You can add any veggies of your choice. These are the ones I really love to have in this. And then there is some chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. And I do have this some shredded tomato too. You can grind it in a mixer grinder, but I have grated it today. A little of salt, and I'm going to add just some coriander seeds which I crushed at home. So that's it. These two things I'm going to add, and then this is water to make a good consistency. So I'll just add little of water to start with. Should be like this. Okay. And then you can heat a pan, and let's get your veggie uttappams ready. So guys, my pan is already greased. I cooked some besan chilla for breakfast today morning. So I'm not going to grease it already, but in your case it's not greased, please first grease it. Pour our batter, and you see how many veggies we have added in this. So you definitely go like if you definitely know how much fibrous this breakfast is going to be. You can have it with tea, coffee, milk, whatever you enjoy it with. Let's cover it to cook. So when you see the top part has dried out, just add a little bit. I'm going to add some oil over it on the top. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it over. Press a little. So once it is cooked on the other side, we will take it out of the pan. And I really hope you like this. It's really healthy breakfast. I love to feed it like to my family, and I am a good foodie myself. So I like all sorts of different kinds of breakfast in the morning. Our healthy fibrous breakfast is ready for today morning,